Darla Tomorrow here, and Nina Natalia. It's a big day. We are unboxing. I just got my my copies of my book. Oh my goodness. It's supposed to be a prop, but my prop is moving. Alrighty. So my new book has been on sale at Amazon for, I don't know, what, Megan, about a week now? Mm-hmm. And Megan is behind the controls. Hey,
hello.
Okay, should I let you down? Yeah, because you're freaking out here. All right, anyway, the book, Organizing Your Home with Sort and Succeed, has been out for about a week. And thank you to everybody who's purchased it and reviewed it. Those reviews are hugely important because it has been a #1 bestseller the whole time it's been out. And I really, really appreciate it. But this is when it really feels real, because this is the physical book. Da-da-da. Oh, cute. Megan, what do you think?
Love it.
It's cute. I purposely, and I really had to work on this, I purposely made it a small book. So it is something that you can read in just an hour. Look at that. I'm loving the color. Color designers, cover designers at Book Baby, thank you so much. Did a great job. And so I have copies here in my office. They are available on Amazon.com. Just talked to a whole bunch of librarians today, and there's going to be some libraries, especially in my area, requesting this book and buying it for their collections. So if you're not near me, go ask your librarian. They will order it and have it in their collection as well. But I'm so happy. Thank you, everybody that helped get this book out. It is now out there doing a job helping you get organized in the world. Thank you.